What's going on? It's your boy Domo, but you already know though, aka Real Since 98. Here again with another video. Out here at the workhouse, as you already know. Got the BMW outside. You already know what's going on here, man. So I realized that it's a nice little beautiful Sunday. I realized I didn't have no work to do today at all. I wanted to see if I could just utilize my time. I've been thinking about going ahead and doing a oil change on my car for a good amount of time. Never really done an oil change, at least on it by myself, since I really got the car back last year. So I'm deciding to say, you know what, I think today's gonna be the day where I go ahead and do an oil change in the car. And I thought about it, I'm like, you know what, why not just record a video of it? So that way I can show you guys me just working on the car. As you can clearly see, it's kind of a little bit dirty too. I haven't got a chance to clean it in a little while. And that's all on me due to laziness. We're working with Mobile One. As you can clearly see, we're working with Mobile One to put some nice little European synthetic oil in there. It's gonna be all full synthetic, as you can clearly see, man. But yeah, this is what we're gonna go ahead and do today. I'm just gonna go ahead and take you guys on the journey with me. Hope you guys like the video. If you guys do like the video, just like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to it. As you guys can see, you can see a little bit of the engine bay here. You can see that twin turbo, that twin power turbo. You know what I'm saying? You know, got the engine nice and clean. We might probably blow it out just a little bit, but not too much. You know what I'm saying, for the video. But let's go ahead and get started. I already got the lifts out of the correct spot, so now we're gonna go ahead and lift this car back up and drain this oil. Let's get it. Hey guys, so I just found out something that kind of got me in a bad mood a little bit. I just found out that BMW is so special that they have their own special Allen key that you need to go ahead and use in order to drain oil. Like, look at this. I'm looking at this, I'm like, wait a minute. This isn't no regular drain plug here. I have to go ahead and get like a special Allen key in order to remove the drain plug here and to remove all this oil that you see seeping out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? That got me so mad. I was just like, damn, man. And I know for a fact I don't have that special tool to remove the Allen, to remove the oil change, or the drain plug, I should say, at this present moment, man. And I know I had to probably buy one. So that kind of is a bummer for me. So now I'm not able to go ahead and complete this video the way I want to, at least for today. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and special order this Allen key. And then once I go ahead and do that, we have to go ahead and continue this video. So on to the next day. What's going on, YouTube? We're back at it again, trying to go ahead and do a BMW oil change. As you can see, clearly see I chopped my head. It's like the last time I made that video where I was going to go ahead and do oil change, but I didn't have the tool. It was probably about a week or 2 weeks ago. But now I got the tool that I need to go ahead and do this oil change. So now we're going to go ahead and proceed to getting the job done. So let's get it. Boom. All right, YouTube, we're back at it again. We're gonna have to remove this. This one of seam light. This is where it's gonna be the oil drain plug at. Let me see if I can remove it with my hand a little bit. Let's see. Ooh, there you go. This is the little plastic drain plug that we have here. the famous old plastic drain plug that needs to get cleared up. And then we're gonna probably brake clean it a little bit, and then continue with the oil change. So let's go ahead and get started with that. All right. So we're gonna get where my nice little tool at? Where my tool at? Where's my nice little tool at? The nice little tool that I motherfucking have in my hand. It's gonna be my first time doing this. Is that it? Here we go. Oh yeah, here we go. Ooh. Let that go like that. Oh yeah. Definitely about that time. Definitely about that time. Definitely about that time. Last time I did an oil change on this car was probably about maybe, damn, I think in August. Damn. Usually I do oil changes every 3 months, but this year I've been I really didn't have too much of a time to be able to do it, but I'm happy I have the time to do it now. You know, working 2 jobs and everything, I mean, you feel kind of tired, you know, doing it all the time. But hey, the work is getting done now, so fuck it. Fuck it. Oh, get that done now. Where is this? Now we can put this bad boy back on there. Seeping it all out, my friend. My friend is speaking all out, my friend. Oh yeah, all right, so let's get that in there. Let's switch that back in there. Yes sir. Okay. This plastic little plug here. Oh my God, it's out of hole. I want to make sure that shit is not super tight, but just tight enough. I don't know how to. Okay, I think that's tight enough. Now, we're gonna brake clean. All right. Try to brake clean these hands. I feel like I haven't done this in a while. Okay, that is done. Oh, I can cover this bad boy up, like so. Come on, my friend. Yeah, there we go. All right. We're gonna have this. Let me just turn that bitch around. Or maybe that should be good again. I don't know. I think so. Put that and that together. Probably quick clean that. Piece this together. This is the oil change on my whip, man. So we got some front brakes. So that's gonna probably be the next thing I'm gonna do. Just check the brake pads. Front brake pads are pretty good. The rear brake pads are pretty much toasted. So we're gonna have to go ahead and handle that next time. Okay, fucking works. It works! Next thing we gotta do now is this oil filter right here. Needs to be removed. I did try to play with it a little bit, so I think I can now remove it a little bit by hand. As you can see, that's turning now. Uh-huh. Come on, baby. Twist it out for daddy. Good girl. Come on, man. It's probably easier if I prefer to set you guys down while I'm doing this. Let's see. Hopefully y'all can see me, but if y'all don't, I do apologize. Oh yeah, there we go. There you go. There you go, mate. Let's try to see you get that out. Mind you, this is like literally my first time doing this by myself on this car. I usually, when I first got this car, I had the dealership do it. But this time, I'm gonna do this myself because my free oil changes are gone, so I won't be able to do it. Oh yeah, it's about that time to change that bad boy. Look at that. Let me show y'all real quick. See that? Yeah, it's about that time. Definitely about that time. Lay this bad boy right here. I got my new one here, but I hope it's the same size. Looks like it is. Got my new rubber pieces here. Oh, you were supposed to replace that? I didn't even know. I can still replace it. Okay, I'll replace it. I didn't know that we're supposed to. Huh. I learned something new. I'm gonna try to take out this rubber gasket here. How I usually do is like this. And then boom, that bitch is out. The bad boy is out. Right now. Let's go ahead and poke a hole in here. There was a new drain plug. I didn't even know that there was a new drain plug, so I might just go back underneath it and then place this new one in there. Because we don't like plastic around here, right? And then I have this. Put this new one on here, like so. Get some of that oil, rub it around, you know what I'm saying? Just rub it around like that. So we got that thing nice and lubricated. So in terms, I'm not sure, I really don't know where the other two, like there's a little gasket here. You guys might flame me for this, but I really don't know where that goes. And then, oh, there's another one here. Let's replace it. I think it goes in here. I might get flamed for it, but let's remove this one. A small one here. Because why not? I probably don't have to, but it's an old gasket. It's hot. We want no issues. There we go. I took out the green. We're going to put it in the red. So that way we know that this is where this is supposed to go. This little red one, it goes right on top right here. Let's see if I can push it. Come on, baby, push. No! I lost it, bro. Fuck. Now we got no choice but to put this back one way. Someone told me just to leave it alone. I might have set this down. Please don't break. Okay. Still good. I wonder what happens if I push it. You know what, Don? Let's not break anything. Let's not break anything, right? I believe this is the bottom. Click it like that. Boom. I reset that bad boy in there. Twist and turn, baby. Twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn. Yeah, she's mad at me. All right. Tighten that bad boy up. There you go. There you go. Okay, I think that's good there. Ay, ay, ay. I'm gonna raise the car up so that way I can put the new drain plug in there and I'm gonna put some oil. All right, now we do the fun part where we go ahead and put some oil here in this funnel so we don't really make a mess here. And then we get the beautiful oil and we fill that shit up. Let's get it. Yep. All right. Let's go ahead. Oh, boom, there you go. Tie that out like that. I hope this is the right oil. Just playing. Put the whole thing in here. How much was that? That was like 5 quarts, 4.7. That's done there. Gonna add a little bit of this, just a little bit, not too much. Come on, baby, ring the seal, ring the seal. All right. Okay, that's good enough. I'm gonna have some oil left over. About 2 quarts or 2 liters. That's 2 liters of oil. All right. That oil change just been done. There you go. Alright, now we're going to cover this bad boy up. Now that we're done with the little hard part. Cover that bad boy up like this. Boom, clicked. Set, done. Add a little brake cleaner. So that way we can clean this bad boy up too. Yes, sir. All right. All right, now we're gonna have to go ahead and measure and make sure that we got the proper amount of oil in here, and then we know that we're good. Now, normally I don't really trust this little B&W oil measuring. As far as electronic wise, I kind of wish that B&W does the old-fashioned way where we go ahead and have the measuring sticks, but that's just the way the B&W do it. It looks like we have to get the car warmed up first before we can do any of that. So I'm just probably gonna pull the car outside and try to measure it outside. It looks like I need some more gas as well, so we're gonna probably stop by the gas station and fill that bad boy up all the way. And then from there, probably go ahead and get a car wash for this. There's people who need to wash promptly. Bring this vehicle back up again. Yes, sir. I'm pretty much done with the work day for today as well. I don't really got nothing else to do as far as work-wise here. I pretty much conquered the day. So I'm gonna clean up, close shop, and then see if we could take this car on a nice little spin and see how the oil is affecting the car. See if it's nice and warmed up now. Measure oil. Nope. Alright, so let me go ahead and clean up shop and I'll be right back then. Alright, just went ahead and closed the shop, and then I'm looking at the oil. Looks like we're good to go. Like, as you can see, it's a max green. Hopefully that ain't glitch. I hope that's pretty good, because I'm still skeptical when it comes to these oil measuring for B&W. But let's see if we can go to the gas station, get some gas, and then probably wash the car.